To other news now, a big problem for the smallest people in the country. Now, as we celebrate Child's Month, 3 children are this evening highlighting one of their biggest fears: sexual abuse. Romardo Lyons has the story.
One girl, a group of men, a Jamaican roadway. The thought,
are they going to rape me?
Repeated itself as her heart raced. She's just 12.
It was just a bunch of men, like 5 of them, and one of them could just run up to me and grab me. I wouldn't be sure what would happen next.
Paranoid or proactive, she details how simply walking alone like this is dangerous.
I always look behind me and take aware of my surroundings and the people near me.
Part of the theme for Child's Month this year, stand up. But many Jamaican children are falling victim to fear. The fear of being raped, abused, and murdered are atop the list.
Truth be told, it can happen to anybody. Anybody, any age, no matter which school you go, what background you come from. It makes me fearful to grow up in Jamaica as a young man.
The Convention of the Rights of the Child says governments must protect children from violence, abuse, and being neglected. It also says the government should protect children from sexual exploitation and sexual abuse. Still, the boy feels unsafe.
Someone does those things to me, I would like for them to be locked up, sentenced.
But there's a problem.
I am not confident in Jamaica's justice system.
For the just concluded Easter term, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions pointed to 189 cases of rape. 151 involved cases of sexual intercourse with a person under 16. There were also 7 cases of sexual offense against a minor.
Because it's mostly, you hear about the stories of the males raping the children or whatever. You might be walking down the street and then you see a group of males and then you don't even know what to expect because they might call you, and because you're underage, it's like you're scared because you don't know what they're going to do, and you don't know if you should continue walking or turn back around because you don't know the intentions. Like, you just don't really trust anybody anymore.
They're reminded ever so often.
Gardener charged with raping child in St. Mary. St. Anne mother in shock as family friend accused in rape and murder of 8-year-old child.
Westmoreland man charged for raping teen daughter.
Headlines like those make sure of it.
How can you see a child or see a person or anybody and just think that, oh, let me do this or let me harm them or let me rape them? It's really concerning because how you just see that and you feel okay.
Some girls really don't know how to defend themselves, and it's very sad because people can just grab them off the road and rape them and they can't fight back.
I just kind of turn the TV off or turn it down, because I don't really like hearing that stuff. It kind of depressing, it brings me... It doesn't really make me feel good about society.
That's why this mother of an 8-year-old tries her best to shield her son from the news.
We have a whole lot of things, especially when it comes on to kids being kidnapped and molested as well. So I am trying to keep him in, not too much, but eventually he's going to know.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.